Okay, well you see we ain't got the truck. The truck's in the shop. For splitting today, we got the Oshkosh today. The Grand Forest too. Bring it along. Oh, freaking coffee. Bring along the council tool, 5 pound. I was just telling my buddy Derek about this axe that I don't really like it that much. It gets stuck in bigger rounds and knottier rounds, but it flies on some smaller stuff. So I want to get out, put it to use, get some of this rust off of it. But I want to plane down. I saw some guy on YouTube doing this, planing down these edges because they're sharp, and rounding these so it doesn't stick that much. And do some work to it. So I guess with some TLC, some guys get these going pretty well. But yeah, of course we got Silas filming. We got him today. But yeah, let's. He's gonna be running the splitter, so we're gonna drag that out. Show another way to keep your axe out the dirt. I learned this when I was like into bushcrafting and whatnot. But I hate splitting on a stump or whatever. I think it's a waste of time and energy. But I'll show you another way that I do it. Let's split this up. And, what I'll do is I'll take whatever split piece that I just had off, I'll take it, I'll throw it like this. And what'll happen is my axe won't go in the dirt, it's gonna go into that. So we'll see. See how? This, take that. See how it's hitting that instead of the dirt? Right into the thing, not the dirt. Alright, we got all the rounds out. The first buck round that I did or whatever. We knocked it out, right?
Yeah.
We had him on the splitter, and then sometimes we tag team and go back and forth, or double up on the splitter, or I'd be splitting with the axe and he's doing that. But we crushed it. Beautiful day out. And yeah, I mean, this has got to be the first time I've ever been in the woods doing wood and it smells like a nightclub. And I think it's because it's sick.
down, work like dog just to keep my family fed.
So today we did really well. We just freestyled it kinda instead of pre-logged vlogs. We just kind of started cutting up this stuff, just chainsawing it, starting to split it with the splitter after. And yeah, we did quite a lot. It's a throne. Yeah, see you guys in the next video.